Okay, welcome back. In this part, we are going to take a look at the push and the pop instructions in assembly. Okay, so here we are having some instructions. We're doing something in assembly program. Okay, in assembly using assembly instructions. Okay, so here we are using the push instruction with the EAX register. Okay, so which means we are pushing something. Okay, on the stack. Okay, something in EAX on top of the stack. Okay, so these instructions on these two lines, they're the same as using this push instruction. Okay, so if you don't want to use the push instruction, you can try out these two lines. Okay, and as you can see here, we are reserving some spaces, we are creating some spaces, some 4 bytes on the stack. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, so let us take a look at the pop instruction. Okay, so for the pop instruction, as you can see, we use the pop on EAX. Okay, so we are removing the value from the stack. Okay, we are removing a value from the stack if we use pop. Okay, so the value is going to be removed permanently from the stack. Okay, so these two lines, okay, are the same as using this one line. Okay, so for those who have never programmed in assembly, who don't know about the assembly instructions, you can go and watch my assembly tutorial. Okay, the video of the tutorial, the link to the tutorial is in the video description. Okay, so just click on this video description. That is, you can click on the title of this video, and then you can go inside that description, and you will see that link to that tutorial. Okay, and you should also be able to program in C. Okay, in C program, because in future parts we shall take a look at the C programming instructions, okay, or codes. Okay, so we shall take a look at that one in the future parts. Okay, so make sure you watch those tutorials, or make sure you know about C and assembly instructions. Okay, so from there I have a diagram, so you should note that the single command actually performs much faster than the alternative. Okay, so I encourage you to use push and pop, okay, instead of using this old way. Okay, so like that. Okay, so here I have a picture, let me show it to you. I have an image here. Okay, so here, as you can see, we are using the push and the pop. Okay, so we have the pop, the push and the pop instructions. Okay, so let me show you. So here, as I told you in previous parts, the top or the stack is upside down. Okay, the top of the stack is down. Okay, and the bottom of the stack is up. Okay, so which means the stack is upside down. Okay, so the top is at the bottom, and the bottom is at the top. Okay, as you can see, this is the bottom of the stack. Okay, and as you can see here, decreasing memory addresses, so memory addresses decrease downwards. Okay, so as you can see, so if we had if this was the previous location on the stack where the ESP was pointing to, which is the top of the stack where the ESP register was pointing to, and when we run the push, we use the push command, we are going to increase, okay, or we are going to add something on top of the stack. Okay, and we are going to add it in this new area, so it's going to be here. Okay, in this new location, and the ESP register is going to point to this new location because it's the one that's going to be the top of the stack. Okay, and we know that the ESP register points to the top of the stack. Okay, so from there, let us take a look at the pop. So if we use the pop instruction, for instance, if this was the previous top of the stack, if this one was the previous top of the stack, and then we use the pop command, we are going to remove what has been at the top of the stack. We are going to remove it there. We are going to remove it at the top of the stack. Okay, so which means we are going to decrease. Okay, we are going to decrease the stack level. Okay, and this is going to be the new top of the stack. Okay, so like that. Okay, so I think you got it. So in the next part, we shall take a look at other concepts. Okay, so we shall take a look at the ESP register. Okay, so thank you if you have liked the video, shared, and left a comment. Okay, so if you have commented, thank you so much.